The founder of Daiya Dip Gold Rose will take you to visit the factory. Flower processing production line. Petal processing line. Mysterious workshop special process production line. Requirements for placing semi-finished flowers. Standard specification zero loss semi-finished products. Stretch film sealed shelf. Semi-finished products prevent dust from falling. Next process, temporary storage area. Waiting for the packaged finished product placement area. The finished product is placed in a sealed box to prevent dust. Area waiting for loading goods. Coffee color gift box introduction. Warehouse packing area. Welcome to Click to Consult. Daiya Rose welcomes you to visit.
以上就是我们戴雅24K 金玫瑰的相关生产车间。戴雅玫瑰欢迎海内外客户现场参观与指导。戴雅玫瑰欢迎各位的到来。